Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put white go to the right. Later that I will put y go in here. dt and t square go to the right, and we have like this. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of this one, we have 1 over t, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when t equals to number 10, y equals to number 5. So we put number 10 going here, number 5, number 5 going here, and number 10 going here to find the value of c. So c equals to Ln number 5 minus 1 over 10. And now I will put this one going here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.